Now, since we're on the contact page, let's quickly go over the actual contact form. Now, in order for you to receive emails from your contact form, sometimes you may or may not need to set up SMTP. It really depends on the server settings. However, you'll click on your contact form and then click on email. And then for the email address, you'll just go ahead and put in your email address. Okay. Now there's other options. So if I collapse this and click on redirect, if someone were to fill out this form, you can actually redirect them to like another page, and you can enter in that link right there if you want to go that route. If you want to enable reCAPTCHA, this will greatly help reduce the amount of spam you get on your websites. Now the contact form is pretty robust, and all you need to do is go over here to elements, and you can keep adding in all the elements. So essentially elements are fields basically. So here we have the name, email, phone number, and message. Now what I'll do is I'll go ahead and just save this. Now I'll be talking more about the contact form probably in a whole nother video. It probably deserves its own dedicated video because there is a lot you can do with the actual contact form. But I'll just go ahead and click on save. All right, so here's my message. I'll fill out the reCAPTCHA and then I'll click on send. Okay, now let's check my email inbox. Now it may or may not send. It may send it to spam. I'm just taking a random gamble here. I'll go ahead and, oh, it looks like I got it right here. So here it is, new message from Divi theme tutorial. And here it is. Hey man, I love your tutorial. Now, if this ended up in spam, or if you did not receive it whatsoever, that is a very common problem with WordPress. I have a video right here that will actually show you this will walk you through how to install an SMTP plugin. This will essentially reroute your emails to your server and force it to go directly to your email inbox. I use a free plugin. It is not a paid service whatsoever. So all you got to do is just configure some settings and you'll be good to go. So I'll leave this video in the video description.